Hey there, I am Walmart Chef Suzanne Clark. Let's make some not so average grilled cheese sandwiches, an installment in our kid-friendly series. Brioche bread, whipped butter, sliced cheddar cheese, Honeycrisp apples, and honey. Begin by spreading each slice of bread with some whipped butter. Next, place the bread in the pan. Top with a slice of cheese followed by slices of apples. Let's add a drizzle of honey for a touch of sweetness and top with a second piece of cheese. Place a second piece of buttered bread on top and cook until the bottom is golden brown. Flip this sandwich and continue until the cheese is melted and the bread is nice and toasty. If you enjoyed that recipe, how about this idea? Let's combine the flavors of a pizza and a grilled cheese sandwich. For this recipe, you will need Italian blend cheese, Parmesan, whipped butter, pepperonis, and here's a surprising twist, frozen waffles. Start by spreading butter on one side of each waffle. Now to add some crunch, sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. When this cooks, it'll be nice and crispy. Now I'm going to place the waffle in the pan and sprinkle on the grated cheese. Let's add some pepperoni for that pizza taste and place the second waffle on top. Once that butter and Parmesan cheese gets nice and crunchy, flip the sandwich over. Now all we have to do is to cut this into pizza slices. Kids will love to dip this sandwich into some Marketside tomato bisque or some pizza sauce. These recipes really are so much fun and they're quick and easy to make, something the entire family will enjoy. If you like this, please follow the Walmart Chef series on YouTube.